Okay, player collect items falling from the top of the screen. Create a collect items function, add the functions to the area. Use if and is touching to change the X and Y positions. If statement and a counter pattern to increase the score every time you touch. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we're going to do that collect items function. Collect items. And then our ifs. If player is touching and we called it star. Yeah, star. Okay, if player is touching star, then we want the score to increase. And then that would be score plus 1. So math. Score plus 1. And then we want the star to reset. So sprites X position, Y position, star X would be on the, like somewhere between here and here. Random 50 to 350. And the Y position out of view somewhere. So let's go between like -5 and -20. And then we'll put the collect items in our draw function. Collect items. Run it. Uh-oh. Line 1, 1, 1. What do we got? Oh, I didn't put star. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, and we see it's counting them up here, so that's good. Alright, so this one is good. And now we need star 1. So basically I'm just going to copy this completely. Or, sorry, line 108 through 111. And then just change it from star to star 1. Okay, star 1, star 1, star 1. Get rid of this chunk. Alright, now let's run it again. And it's working right. I see I'm getting points right here. working nicely. Okay. Alright. The sprite moves the way it should. The interactions work. The platforms are moving. The scoreboard works. So this one's good. Plane jumper. Okay, choose one or more of the following changes and add them to your game. Choose new animations. Make it impossible for your player to go left or right on the screen. Add a different type of item to collect. Add variables to keep track of how many lives the player has. Alright, let's do new animations. Why not? Okay. Alright, I'm just going to change these animations then. Okay, new animation. Let's go with a delightful cat. And I'm just going to call this Alien. And the reason I'm just going to call it Alien, that way I don't have to change the names. Right? Alien. Alright, let's check it out now. Alright, clearly our alien is way too big. So that's fine, we'll just make it a little smaller. Sprites, scale. Where are we at here? Player. Scale, let's go 0.25 and see how it looks. Oh, that's nice. A nice little cat. Okay. Now let's go ahead and change the star. Just delete that. And I will add a new image. Let's do a germ. Alright, and we'll call this star. Alright, it's too large. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this scale code again, and I'm going to add it to the star. Star 1 scale, and star 2 scale. Or just star scale. Alright. Let's check it out. Those are probably a little bit too big, so let's go ahead and change it to 0.15. See what happens. That's better. Okay, what else do they want? Okay, we did this one, we did this one. set a variable to keep track of how many lives. I don't want to do that. We'll call it good. Make the player's animation change direction when the player changes direction. Add a background to make it appear when the score gets even higher. Make your items interact with the platforms in some way. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and do the change direction. So here's our alien. And let's make a copy and flip it, and we'll call this alien L for left. Alright, now let's go to our control, sprites, set animation, player, to alien L, and then right, player, set animation to alien. Alright, let's see. So I'm going right, I'm going left, and it works. Life. Oh, you know what? We were supposed to set the score to 0 at the beginning. And then it changes after a certain amount. Wait a second. Why is the score still set to 100? Oh. That's why. Okay, score set to 0. If score goes to 10, it'll change. There we go. Alright, now we'll do another one for the score. Right, is that what they're asking? Make another background and make it appear when the score gets even higher. Make items interact with platforms in some way. And let's do the platforms. And that would be colliders, right? So instead of collide, let's do bounce off. If player platform player platform 2, and let's get rid of these. So basically I'm just changing it from collision to bounce. Boing, and it works. Cool. And we're done.